Honolulu is a tropical paradise on the island of Oahu, blending natural beauty, vibrant culture, and fascinating history. Here you can enjoy golden beaches, crystal clear waters, and year-round sunshine. The city is home to stunning hiking trails, lush gardens, and breathtaking ocean views. You can explore world-class museums, discover rich Hawaiian traditions, and taste fresh island flavors at local markets and restaurants. Honolulu offers something for everyone, whether you want relaxation, adventure, or cultural experiences. This beautiful city is the perfect starting point for exploring the wonders of Hawaii. Waikiki Beach is one of the most famous beaches in the world, known for its gentle waves, golden sand, and lively atmosphere. It is a perfect place for swimming, surfing, or simply relaxing under the warm Hawaiian sun. Along the shore, you will find resorts, shops, and restaurants that make the area full of life both day and night. The beach offers stunning views of Diamond Head and unforgettable sunsets that paint the sky with brilliant colors. Waikiki Beach combines natural beauty with vibrant city energy, making it a must-visit destination in Honolulu. The Pearl Harbor National Memorial is a powerful reminder of the events of December 7, 1941. Here you can learn about the history that changed the course of the world and honor those who served and sacrificed. The memorial includes exhibits, artifacts, and moving stories that bring the past to life. A highlight is the solemn USS Arizona Memorial, which rests above the sunken battleship. Visiting this site offers a chance to reflect on courage, resilience, and the importance of peace. It is both educational and deeply emotional, leaving a lasting impression on all who come here. Diamond Head State Monument is one of the most famous landmarks in Hawaii, known for its dramatic volcanic crater and sweeping views of the coastline. The hike to the summit takes you through old military tunnels and steep stairways, offering a mix of history and adventure. At the top, you are rewarded with breathtaking panoramas of Honolulu, Waikiki Beach, and the endless blue ocean. Formed over 300,000 years ago, Diamond Head is a natural wonder that combines geology, beauty, and a bit of a workout, making it a must-see for travelers seeking unforgettable views. Moana Beach Park is a beautiful seaside escape located between Waikiki and downtown Honolulu. It offers a long stretch of golden sand, calm waters protected by a reef, and plenty of space for swimming, paddleboarding, or simply relaxing in the sun. Locals love it for morning walks, picnics, and watching the sunset. The park also has shaded trees, open grassy areas, and walking paths, making it perfect for families and friends to gather. With its peaceful atmosphere and stunning ocean views, Moana Beach Park is a favorite spot to enjoy the island lifestyle. Manoa Falls is a lush tropical getaway, just a short drive from the city. The trail leads you through a rainforest filled with bamboo, tropical flowers, and birdsong, creating a peaceful and refreshing escape. At the end of the hike, you are rewarded with a stunning 150-foot waterfall cascading into a serene pool below. The gentle mist and cool air make it a perfect break from the warm Honolulu sun. Manoa Falls is an easy way to experience the natural beauty of Hawaii and is a favorite for both locals and visitors. The USS Missouri is a historic battleship that played a key role in world events. Known as the Mighty Mo, it is famous as the site where the surrender of Japan was signed, ending the Second World War. Today, it is a floating museum where you can walk the decks, explore the crew's quarters, and see the massive guns up close. The ship's exhibits share stories of bravery, technology, and life at sea. Visiting the USS Missouri offers a powerful connection to history and a chance to stand on the very spot where peace was officially declared. Hanauma Bay is a stunning natural preserve shaped by a volcanic crater and filled with vibrant marine life. Its clear, shallow waters make it one of the best places in Hawaii for snorkeling. You can see colorful coral reefs, tropical fish, and sometimes even sea turtles, all in their natural habitat. The bay is carefully protected, with visitor guidelines to help preserve its beauty for future generations. Surrounded by green hills and golden sand, Hanauma Bay offers both relaxation and adventure, making it a perfect spot to connect with the ocean and enjoy the wonders beneath the surface. The Koko Crater Railway Trail is a challenging hike with a big reward. The trail follows old railway tracks once used to move supplies during the Second World War. Climbing more than 1,000 steps, you will feel the burn in your legs, but the panoramic views at the top make every step worth it. From the summit, you can see the sparkling blue ocean, the curve of Hanauma Bay, and the rugged volcanic landscape. This hike is both a physical test and a breathtaking experience, perfect for adventurous travelers looking for an unforgettable view. Iolani Palace is the only royal palace in the United States, and a treasured symbol of Hawaii's history. Built in the 1880s, it was the official residence of the Hawaiian monarchs. Visitors can tour its elegant rooms, see original furnishings, and learn about the lives of the kings and queens who once lived here. The palace blends European architecture with Hawaiian cultural touches, creating a truly unique design. Walking through Iolani Palace is like stepping back in time, offering a deeper understanding of Hawaii's royal heritage and the events that shaped the islands. Aloha Tower is one of Honolulu's most recognized landmarks and has welcomed ships to the harbor since 1926. Standing 10 stories tall, it was once the tallest building in Hawaii. Visitors can take an elevator to the observation deck for sweeping views of the harbor, downtown Honolulu, and the surrounding mountains. The area around the tower has shops, restaurants, and a lively waterfront atmosphere. Aloha Tower is more than just a historic structure. It is a symbol of Hawaii's spirit of hospitality and a great place to enjoy the city's vibrant energy.